According to DisplayWP and other sources, WordPress originally developed on MySQL, but in 2017 over 5% of all active WordPress installations were using MariaDB. Nowadays, this number may be different, but nonetheless, WordPress on MariaDB looks something like this. Depending on what version of WordPress you install, you will see 12 or more tables that will most likely be powered with the InnoDB storage engine and have a collation based on UTF-8 MB4. The user table will feature our usernames, hashed passwords without salts, email addresses, links to user profiles and more, and the user meta table will feature information related to users and their actions. There is the WP options table that depicts all of the available options within MariaDB and lets you modify miscellaneous settings. The WP posts table will feature all of the posts within your website and will include information on the author, post date, content, the title, excerpts, the status of the post, whether they are open for comments or not, and so on. The WP terms table will contain information and categories available within WordPress, and other tables will contain some other information. WordPress installs quickly as well as works on MariaDB and MySQL alike because its database structure is rather simple. The main concern for some here may be related to plugins, and these often concern the database with their text, metadata and settings, while continuing to store static files like images, JavaScript and CSS files in the plugins directory. When we look at the deeper functionality of plugins within WordPress, we can also notice that certain parts of them pertain to different areas of our database. For example, plugins providing a custom post type may act on WP posts, WP post meta, WP comments, and WP comment meta tables, adding different columns on these tables that may be removed when the plugin is removed from our application, and so on. All that means that our MariaDB database is a crucial point for WordPress. While one can just take and restore a backup onto a new server and spin up the same WordPress instance there, many recommend taking backups with tools that quote-unquote pack files in the database together and unpack them on a new server, so we don't have to worry about compatibility or versioning issues or apps not understanding each other. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to learn more about how WordPress interacts with MariaDB, and until next time.